In this DVD, you'll see the steps and procedures that we follow in our comprehensive eye evaluation, which will let you know about your suitability for LASIK. You'll watch us perform a LASIK procedure and you'll meet people who have had LASIK. And you'll learn their stories about life before, during, and after their LASIK procedure. We also want you to know a little bit about my personal background and the history of Bellevue LASIK and Cornea, and why we believe that our center provides the very best refractive and full-service eye care available in the state of Washington. Please take time to browse all the sections of the DVD. Hopefully it will answer most of your questions about laser vision correction. And afterwards, we hope you'll come in for a complimentary evaluation and learn if LASIK is appropriate for you. We look forward to earning your confidence and to recommending the right procedure for your best quality of vision and quality of life.